Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. In this video I'll be showing Andhra style chicken roast. The ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. First heat the pot in low flame for dry roasting the spices. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Fry them till they slightly changes color. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Two Kashmiri red chilies for the color. 5 to 6 red chilies. You can adjust them according to your taste. Fry them for a minute. 1/4 teaspoon of SHAH JEERA or black cumin seeds, 3 cloves and ½ inch cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Stir and fry them in low heat till they slightly changes color and turns aromatic. Turn off the heat and cool down the spices. Transfer the dry roasted spices to the mixer. Grind them into a fine powder. Now heat the pot and add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 split green chilies, and 1 big sized onion chopped into pieces. Add salt as required and saute them well. Onions turns golden and transparent. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, saute them well till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes. Add 500 grams of chicken cut into pieces. Saute and mix the chicken well. Cook the chicken by closing the lid for about 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, the chicken oozes water and is half cooked. Give it a mix gently. Add the freshly ground spice powder. Coat the chicken pieces with the spice powder. Cook the chicken for another 15 minutes by closing the lid. You can add water if required. The chicken is cooked well. It takes around 30 minutes. As you can see, the moisture is evaporated and the chicken is dry. Add the chopped coriander leaves. Give it a mix and turn off the heat. Andhra style chicken roast is ready to serve. Serve it in a serving bowl. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.